How does it impact a DUI case if someone is under the influence of drugs? Attorney Thomas Hudson explains that in Florida, there is no numeric cutoff for what is an impairing level of any drug other than alcohol. For a drug DUI, if the police have reasonable suspicion that someone is impaired by something other than alcohol, they can investigate further. If they find that there is probable cause that someone is impaired by something other than alcohol, they can charge the person with a DUI drugs. The standard for proving DUI drugs is being under the influence of a drug to the extent that your normal faculties are impaired. The particular substance impairing the driver has to be from an enumerated list of what they call chemical substances or controlled substances. Those lists are contained in the Florida statutes, and they don't completely correspond to what the federal government calls a controlled substance under the schedules of controlled substances published by the DEA. There are some medications that are impairing, but which are not listed and cannot be the subject of a DUI in Florida. For example, Ambien, which also goes by the generic name Zolpidem, is very impairing. People who have taken it can be driving all over the road. However, in the state of Florida, unless and until they change the law, driving under the influence of Ambien is not a crime. There are a lot of lawyers who are not aware of which medications are on the list and which aren't. We have had many Ambien cases reduced or dismissed over the years because of this loophole in Florida law. Tom Hudson is widely respected for his training and knowledge of the field, as well as his decades of trial experience. The Hudson Law Office has represented thousands of citizens accused of crimes for over 30 years.